Now in this video we are asked to find the LCM of 30, 45, 60 and 90. So this is the most simplest method. This is the most easiest method of finding the LCM of these numbers. So what are you going to do first? You look for the smallest prime factor, of any of them. So normally the smallest prime factor ever that we have is 2. You write 2, divide this, you only divide by 2. You divide the numbers that can be divided by 2. That's the numbers that you are going to divide. Then you ignore other ones. For example, this 30, you divide 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. Then 2 cannot divide 45. Then we do what? We write down the 45. We move 60 divided by 2. We have 30. 90 divided by 2, 45. Now, can 2 divide them again? 2 can divide because of 30. So we write 2 again. 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. Then we copy others. Alright. Now, which number can divide again? We don't skip. 3 can divide. We write 3. 15 divided by 3 is what? 5. 45 divided by 3, 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. 45 divided by 3, 15. Now which one can go? 3 can go again, right? 3 can go. You write 3. Now 3 cannot divide this, we write it down. 15 divided by 3 is 5. We write down 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So you can see we have 5, 5, 5, 5. So the next number will be 5. So we divide all of them by 5. 5 divided by 5. This will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So what does that mean? The LCM. So the LCM of 30, 45, 60 and 90 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36, 36 times 5, 180. Alright, now pause this video and find the LCM of 8, 9 and 12. Write your answer in the comment section. Now unpause the video and check the answer. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye for now.